guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mackenzie and I also go by Mac. I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week on my YouTube, and I do it with my dog Jack. This is Jack. He is a really big helper in my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate this Dollar Tree hat. All of the materials are from Dollar Tree. So the hat's from Dollar Tree, these are from Dollar Tree, and this is from Dollar Tree. What I've got here are two decorations that I'm going to use to put on the hat, and it's only $3 to make this entire hat, and we're starting right now. The first step is to cut all of your stars out. Now what I'm going to do is just put the glue on the back of the stars and then glue them onto the hat. Now I'm just putting glue at the bottom of the stars on the hat. Now I'm going to place the garland all around the hat where my glue is. And you are all done with your hat. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And happy 4th of July.